we are going to be building a mechanical keyboard from Drop. Let's just unbox this thing. I can do it. Alright, what do we have in here? We have a nice card. Another card. And there's the keyboard. Alright. So we have the keyboard open here. So we have the holy pandas that we're gonna attach to this keyboard. It's already pre-lubed, which is nice. And I guess we're just gonna build them on top. This will take a while, so hang in there. Oh, nice. Alright, switch is done. Cool. Next step, we have the keycaps. We have the GMK white on black keycaps. I have no idea what they are, but I guess we're gonna see.
Take it apart like that, it's gonna fall.
Okay, we have this. It's just like a white packaging. I'm gonna rip it apart. Put this away. This is the covering for it. It's pretty clean. I like it.
Stab it.
Oh yeah, we can stab this with scissors. Very handy. I don't want to like break it, so I'm like, there you go. Okay. Speed typing versus Joshu? Maybe. Alright. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. I think I opened it the wrong way. Let's start. Okay. We should start with the letters. We have A. A? A is the first letter of the alphabet. Goes here.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
Like B.
Yeah, it's actually A, so. I have never stuck a key if I. Oh wait. I did it. Alright. Next, the second letter of the alphabet is B.
Open his. I forgot to bring mine.
Yeah. Oh, I found B. It's B, guys. B. Alright. Where does B go? Where? B. Does B go here? I think B goes here, right?
No cheating, no cheating.
I'm just making. Yo, okay, I got it. B goes here. Did it. I think. We did it. Alright. We have like so many extra keycaps. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at all those extra keycaps. That's crazy. Anyways. We're gonna put all these back.
Oh, maybe?
It'll be pretty interesting.
Do you not have a mouse?
Do I not have a mouse? I don't have one with me right now, I don't think. Alright, I'm gonna start. Let's see, what should we do?
Start.
Mode, free for all, text. We can do random. Okay, yeah. Sure.
Yes,
We're gonna get started.
Follow.
Thank you for the follow, Axlery88. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. I increase the brightness. Oh my gosh. Wait, the D key isn't working.
The D key.
Alright, that's a problem. Let's try again, guys. Oh wait, we're still in the same game. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you gotta hurry up.
I know, right? I'm like behind everyone right now. Let's just see if the D key works. There we go. It's fixed. Awesome. I'm gonna finish this real quick. And then... This is nice, actually. I like it. I definitely have to get used to the correction here with this keyboard, but it definitely feels a lot nicer than the previous Macs that I've used.